It's that time of year again for the third annual Precious and Poured Out 2019 Grace for Grace Women's Retreat. John 1:16 and 17 reads, "And of his fullness have all we received, and grace for grace. But grace and truth came by Jesus Christ." We will have powerful worship, life-changing workshops, and insightful panel discussions. You will meet new friends, connect with the presence of God, and learn more about the power of God's grace in your life. This year's psalmist is LaRue Howard from the River of Life Center in Orlando, Florida. Make sure you make the time and investment for the Precious and Poured Out Women's Retreat. It's God's grace who fills us, God's grace meets us, and God's grace carries us. But by the grace of God that I am who I am. Set aside June 27th through the 29th and register today at www.preciousandpouredout.com. Looking forward to seeing you there.